What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Bluetooth on-ear headphones in black I picked up at Walmart for $14.88. Out of 5 stars, these headphones get 4 out of 5 out of 177 customer reviews. They come in 3 different colors, black, blue, and purple. Today I figured we would do just a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions to find out if these wireless on-ear headphones are any good. I do have a pair of the $35 on wireless earbuds. They sound just as good as basically any other wireless earbud option on the market for a fraction of the cost. Even though these are half the price of those, I do think the wireless earbud market is a tad inflated. So even though, like I said, these are half the cost of the wireless earbuds, I don't expect these to sound half as bad, if that makes any sense. I expect them to sound just as good, if not better, than those Bluetooth earbuds. There should be a little bit more technology on the inside, giving them a little bit better audio quality, I think. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. As you can see here, it's just this simple blue box, but it is very informative. On the front top right corner, we have up to 14 hours playtime. If we flip the box over here, we can see that we get a built-in microphone, up to 33 feet wireless range from paired devices, high definition sound, which I am excited to find out if it really is high definition or not. And I believe it comes with a 3.5mm aux cable, a quick start guide, and a micro USB charging cable. You can see all of the information on the back there. Let's go ahead and get into the box. So we'll go ahead and just make a little bit of cut into the top of the box here. I do not plan on returning these. I usually keep all the earbuds and headphones that I have for later review. And in fact, I'm thinking about doing a comparison between these headphones and the ON wireless earbuds I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So this tray sort of comes out here. You get the headphones laying in, but you get the ON quick start guide in the box, which is really nice. And it looks like there are all kinds of options here for playing and pausing and so on and so forth. Not quite sure if there are touch controls or if there are button controls. I think at $14.88 you can probably expect button controls. You get that micro USB charging cable here. Looks to be a pretty decent length, which is nice. And last but not least, you get that 3.5mm headphone jack, or that aux cable, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and just unfold this here because I want to point something out about this aux cable. It's actually not one of those T-design aux cables. It's pretty much straight in. So the longevity of this cable, you know, might be pretty little or low compared to some other T-shaped or dogleg shaped aux cables, but I think for the most part you're going to be enjoying these, you know, using Bluetooth only. And last but not least, you get the wireless on-ear headphones. We'll go ahead and just rip off that plastic there. Really nice, lightweight, sort of flimsy here. These really don't lock into place, which is kind of interesting. As you can see, I'm trying to fold these up here, but when I fold them out, they don't lock into place. You get your standard ear cups here, not too cushiony, but good enough, I would say. And then of course, they adjust accordingly. You get a little bit of audio feedback, a little bit of tactility there. No branding on these headphones whatsoever. They're pretty lightweight, pretty flimsy, but we're here to find out if these sound any good. But momentarily, before we get into the sound impressions here, you can basically see that there is a microphone on the right-hand side, I believe. Yeah, that's the right-hand side. You get that 3.5mm aux port. You get the micro USB charge port. And on the right-hand side, you get your volume up and down, fast forward, rewind, and your power button. We'll go ahead and turn these on here. As you can see, they go right into Bluetooth pairing mode. Like I said or pointed out previously, these do have a fold-up design. They're actually a really nice design, no branding. They're just matte black, which I like, and they're sort of futuristic looking. But yeah, they're just not the best quality. But even though these ear cups don't lock into place, I mean, if they're gonna be on your head, they're, you know, gonna stay put anyway, right? Just due to the pressure of them being on your head. I think you understand what I'm trying to say here. And yeah, there's really not much to point out with these headphones. That doesn't sound very good. Yeah, let's go ahead and pair these up and see how they sound. So we'll go ahead and bring in the handy dandy iPhone here and go into Bluetooth. And what's actually really nice is as soon as you turn them on ear headphones come up at the very bottom of the Bluetooth list. And just like that, they pair. You can see the volume indicator come into play there, letting us know that they're connected. And if we go ahead and hit info here, basically we can just disconnect and forget the device. Really no other Bluetooth settings to be dealt with. Now that we've got them connected, let's go ahead and put them on our head and see what they sound like. So this is the right hand side, left hand side. I don't think the noise isolation is going to be off the charts. It's not bad by any measure. It's definitely a little bit better, or I would say maybe comparable to the Bluetooth earbuds by On. Now that we have them connected, let's see how they sound. I'm gonna just listen to some music for a few minutes, play around with the EQ settings, and give you my first impressions. So I'll be back momentarily. Okay, so my first impressions are in. First of all, they're not uncomfortable by any means. They're fairly comfortable for on-ear headphones. What I will point out is maybe I have a big head, but the mechanism doesn't extend far enough that it fits comfortably or confidently on my head. I would say these are maybe for a kid or a child who is just starting to listen to music, who you just got a cell phone for or an MP3 player for. This would be perfect for them. But for a full-grown adult like myself, these are just a little bit too small. I will say this, you do get high definition sound, but it's not very loud. The volume on these headphones is pretty low. Compared to other headphones, at half volume, I was pulling about 80, 82, 81 decibels out of these headphones, which is not that loud. And at the very upper end of the volume spectrum, at the highest volume, I should say, listening to these headphones, I was getting about 92, 93 decibels, maybe 96 when, you know, the treble kicked up in the song or something like that. But yeah, they're just not that loud. Coupled with fairly average noise isolation, these headphones are just okay. You know, I was a little bit happier with the Bluetooth earbuds because they were so inexpensive compared to the other earbuds on the market, and they sounded great, but these just do not deliver. There are a pair of wireless on-ear headphones with active noise cancellation. They go for about 50 bucks. They're made by On. You can pick them up at Walmart. They're probably a little bit more oriented towards an older audience, towards travel. I will be reviewing those in the future because they are interesting to me, but I had to give these a shot first for $14.88. You know, are they any good? And I'm just gonna have to say no. I did listen to these on a few different EQ settings. I listened to them on bass reducer. First, they sounded pretty good, and then I listened to them on bass booster, and it actually did make the bass a little bit thumpier, but not overpowering or overwhelming by any means, so that's good to hear, right? They do sound pretty good in that regard. And then I wanted to turn the bass down a little bit, but wanted to make the music sound a little bit fuller and a little bit richer. So I went over to a flat EQ setting, and I got what I expected. A little bit more punchy bass, a little bit richer midtones, trebles, highs. Overall, they sounded just a little bit better, a little bit more fuller, but yeah, they just are not that loud. I am someone who likes to listen to my music loud and clear. These are clear, they're just not loud. So you do get the high definition audio, you just don't get a lot of volume with these headphones. As you can see, they don't have a locking ear cup. So when you do fold them out, they don't lock into place. I mean, they do stay on your head comfortably, but Hey guys, and real quick, before we end this video, I just wanted to do a microphone test. This on Bluetooth wireless headphone does have a built-in microphone. So if you are going to pick these up to maybe connect them to your computer for Zoom calls or video conferencing of any kind, this will allow you to get a good idea of what the microphone sounds like. Anyways guys, because I picked up the On wireless Bluetooth headphones from Walmart, that makes them a big box good. You can too for $14.88. Out of 5 stars, these headphones get 4 out of 5 out of 177 customer reviews. Anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. That has been an unboxing and a first impressions of the On wireless Bluetooth headphones I picked up at Walmart for $14.88. If you guys want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. I will see you in the next one.